Palava Junction at the Kalyan Shi Road is notorious for traffic congestion. It has become a nightmare for traffic commuters going on in this particular road. As you can see, this particular bridge, that is Palava Bridge, is incomplete since last several years. Frustrated by the delays of this construction of this bridge, MNS leader Raju Patil had put a massive poster mocking the whole situation. This Palava bridge has become a new hotspot for political satire. Now, MNS leader Raju Patil had put a massive poster mocking the whole situation. In this poster, it was depicted that inauguration of this bridge will happen on April 31st by stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra. Now here's a catch. April 31st does not exist. And as we all know, Kunal Kamra, stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra is in trending since he mocked Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde and called him a Gaddar. So this political satire has been implemented by MNS leader Raju Patil. But the struggle over here remains consistent. The daily office goers, the motorists and the daily commuters are frustrated by the constant traffic jams, and they say this particular flyover should be completed as per promise.
We face major issues as the time that we can spend with our family, we have to spend with frustrated strangers on the road.
Sir, how much time it requires daily to travel to your office or wherever you are traveling?
Okay, if you have come by this road, it says that 70 km/h is the speed limit, but actually it's just a 30-minute journey for my office, but my vehicles travel at 7 km/h, especially after 6 in the evening.
Okay, so do you think if these bridges are completed, traffic would be reduced?
Definitely. If the bridge is completed, definitely the traffic issue will be resolved.
Many people and commuters are raising voice against why this bridge is incompleted. So what do you think are the major reasons?
I am not sure about the major reason, but I think the land acquisitions are pending, and the delays and intention of completing projects on time is missing. They were on the speakers, the traffic police in their car, big mics were there, and they were telling people not to drive from the wrong side because 2 people died. But ironically, the very next day, the traffic police only were directing us forcefully to drive from the wrong direction.
I hear from people that people have lost hopes. Like this bridge, they don't even consider that it will be ever going to build or not. I don't have really much idea about that because different people have different views. Sometimes I hear there was some local issue sometime back that local people are opposing. But actually I don't know what is the reason, because if the government wants, they can complete in time.
So are you telling you have lost the hopes in construction of this bridge?
Yeah, I would say that. But I want that there should be some solution of this traffic, because when I see sometimes the ambulance are stuck up in the traffic, so I really get scared up, because if someone is in the urgency, so we don't know how much time we need to reach some important place. It may be half an hour, 1 hour to even travel 2-3 kilometers.
इधर से 50 किलोमीटर माहौल गाँव है, तो मुझे 1.5 आवर लगता है। ट्रैफिक होने के कारण और ज़्यादा हेजिटेट होता है एक्चुअली। ये जब तक फ्लाईओवर होता नहीं ना, तब तक प्रॉब्लम ही है हमारा पलावा वालों का।
कितने सालों से चल रहा है फ्लाईओवर का?
मैं इधर 2015 से है रेसिडेंट बोल के, लेकिन इधर एक्चुअली ट्रैफिक का 2015 से ही चल रहा है। फ्लाईओवर कभी होगा, हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि कितना 10 साल हो गए, अभी तक तो हुआ नहीं है। अभी कभी होगा क्या मालूम।
ओके, तो अपील क्या रहेगी? यहाँ के खासदार है श्रीकांत शिंदे, यहाँ के आमदार है, उनको अपील क्या रहेगी आपको?
जल्दी से जल्दी फ्लाईओवर करो यार। सब लोग, हम ऑफिस वाले इतना हम लोग 1-1.5 घंटे ये ट्रैवल में ही जाते हैं, तो आने जाने का 3 आवर जाते हैं हमारा, तो जल्दी से जल्दी करो।
So regarding the traveling, we face a lot of traffic because in our office we have to go home, right? So because of this traffic, we every day the bus come late and we every day go late because of every time. Just for the Manpada road, if you see, for 45 minutes we will just only take to go to Manpada itself. So it is very hectic for us.
What kind of pressure do you feel is and what kind of improvements should be done?
This should be done definitely, because bridges is incomplete, and next to Manpada there is a metro kam is going on, so that's why lots of problem face. And
Signals also are not there. Like at the time of crossing the road, we need to focus if the traffic owner is there or not.
Especially for senior citizen, they are frustrated because they cannot cross the road. So that is very difficult for us especially, and other office people also frustrated because every time morning and in evening 1.5 hour, 2 hours for their home reach to home. So everybody is frustrated.